Nestled amidst the cornfields of Indiana is one of the country's leading designers and manufacturers of ceiling fans. Since its launch in 1984, in the garage of founder Tom Frampton, Fanimation has emerged into an industry leader by creating and producing refreshingly innovative ceiling fans for a wide variety of venues.
My boss was interested in fans, interested in antique trains, interested in coin-operated antiques, and that was sort of the atmosphere it all started in. Somewhere near the end of 1974, he got the notion to actually reproduce a conventional fan from the 30s. And we made 20 of them, sold them right away, and we made 50 more and sold them right away. Made another 50 and sold them right away. And you know, I think we've got a business here. I think we could make 50 a month. This became the Casablanca Fan Company.
When the company was sold in 1981, Frampton took the knowledge he had gained along the way and created Fanimation. While the company today can offer consumers more than 31 fan designs with nearly limitless customization options, Fanimation's initial 3 basic fan designs continue to lead today's market as well. Not to say Frampton doesn't like to try something new. His travels throughout the world, including 45 countries to date, have given him fodder to develop and even reproduce some of the fans he has discovered.
I'm always looking for fans. Just got in the habit of, you know, wherever I might be, you know, in France or somewhere in Asia, just walking past the old buildings in town, and I like to look at the floor because it's the quickest way to see if there's a fan inside, because you'll see the shadow. Walking in and looking up takes a lot of time. I just walk and look at the floor, and I found more fans that way.
Perhaps the standout newbie in the line is the contemporary single-blade fan, the Enigma, that reflects the growth, diversity, and innovation that characterizes every Fanimation fan.
How did I come up with the Enigma? Was really I was just sitting down and brainstorming on new designs, and just kind of went through in my head, well, you know, fans started out as 2-bladed fans. Then they became 3, then 4, and then in the late 70s, 5 blades came out for the first time, ceiling fans anyway. People have tried 6, 7, 8, and I was just playing around with the numbers, and it just occurred to me, no one's ever done 1. I mean, the biggest thing in any fan is there's safety standards that didn't exist in the beginning, having to do with, you know, the safety of the blade, safety of electronics, safety of the hanging system. A ceiling fan is an inherently energy-saving device. Use a fan, turn your AC down, but there has been work by the Department of Energy and others to make standards for fans. And the Energy Star program that you see for air conditioners and most appliances now, there are standards for ceiling fans now.
After 22 years, Frampton's passion for the ceiling fan industry has catapulted him into a new project, a fan museum. While Tom Frampton enjoys the occasional look back at the unique fans of history in the world, his company will continue to work toward the future.
A lot of things we can't talk about, but we've got some fairly radical things coming out, some very traditional things. Soft contemporary has been a big push for us, filling some gaps there. We're playing around with some new DC motors, a lot of torque, very low energy consumption. It's sort of a new wave of a motor for fan. Fairly expensive, but you can actually pay for the fan in energy savings.
Fanimation is dedicated to creating and manufacturing high-quality ceiling fans that are as functional as they are expressive. The development of its product line throughout the company's 22-year history reflects Fanimation's #1 priority, its customers.